We're back. Oh, I guess I'll wait to turn that on. Go ahead and walk around the car. Water drops were successful. Now hold on. Before you go too far, I will say one thing, that it kind of leaves like cobwebs behind. So you don't want to apply pressure, but if you just come through and just lightly drag it, you'll get rid of those. You don't want to disturb the surface. But if there are any on there, go ahead and walk around and look at it. We're going to put a candy coat over this and some clear coat. We're just going to use rattle can because everything is small. And there's no reason to get the gun out. There's a chance I might have to get Mo with this. We'll see. We see what we're looking at. Water drops.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Looks like it rained in here.
It did. Then it evaporated. Okay.
Alright.
Anyway, yeah. So we're going to gently apply some candy.
Hold on.
And I'm not sure what color I want this. We'll see how dark I want it. I think we're going to want it at least a couple coats.
I don't know.
We'll see though. It doesn't necessarily have to be solid. I don't know, like I say, because the majority of the car is going to have this tone.
Maybe two? Maybe 2 coats?
Just
not 3 though. You don't want your white to disappear.
I don't want everything to be the same tone.
Do that middle one
That one's got some on it.
Okay. Well, it just looks like a purple, not a red.
You know what it does though? It wants to hide some of the highlight.
That's what I just said.
So we don't want to do that too much.
That's why I said only 2, not 3. But maybe it's just because the clear coat's not on there yet. You got to remember that.
Clear coat will help out, but it's still, because what it does is highlight the dark, the shadow, and not our.
Actually, it's looking pretty good.
You can still see it pretty well.
You can still see the bubbles.
It'll make a huge difference when it's out in the sun too.
Right. Yes, it's hiding them, but you're still seeing them.
Yeah.
Let me go look at the front. Yeah, we didn't lose bubbles. No waters. Nope, you didn't lose any. You can still totally see it. Yeah, and I think once you put the clear on there, it'll make it do its thing. Oh yeah, you can still see them.
If they go away, we'll fucking do more water drops on the top of the candy.
Right. That would be dope too.
Well, you know what we need to do is one more piece of paper right there, just in case. Yep, I definitely like them a lot better without the saddle being affected, or I mean the highlight being affected. But it'll look just fine.
I think go ahead and do candy and then just do one more coat of this.
Yeah, the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might.
I mean, it's not going to hurt anything, but I think once you get the clear on there, you're going to be like, okay.
Yeah, no, it looks good still.
Were you wanting a lighter effect? Not so red?
Yeah.
Then you hit it. Well, I mean, you're hitting it. It's pink. I like it. And it's the right pink, not too dark. Don't forget these.
Okay. Now, as you can see why we hit this with the rattle can.
If you would have sprayed a lot, it would have buried it.
We would have lost it.
Oh, this is the first layer. I'm like, hit it some more over there.
Where?
Just in the trunk with your second. Want it? Get it?
We just wanna.
You don't want it too thick, but.
No, we don't want it too thick. And you have to realize that some of that you're looking at is white.
Oh.
Underneath of it.
Okay. I'm not telling you what to do.
No, it's alright.
Okay.
So this is the first time I've done this shit, so I'm realizing everything as we go here too. Okay.
I told you it's still there.
Okay. We're just checking.
Really look at the front though. I mean, that's where you're gonna really know when it's like staying. Cause you still see all these.
This is going to be like just enough paint for this effect. Like I say, I'd like to screw with it one time just to see how dark you can go with this.
I think you go pretty dark.
But I just don't have the time to redo a bunch of shit. Right now we're out of time. That's what I say. Right now we just have to get this thing done.
And then come back and do...
And then I can do touch-ups as I
think you're good. Like, not like good, but you need to come do some little...
No, for sure.
Right here. Maybe a little more.
Okay.
And maybe just one up here. I don't know. That's up to you, though. It's not being moss, that's for sure.
Right here on this one side there.
Yes. 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 And then yes. And then that one up there. Did you get that one?
I've hit that a couple times. But...
Oh, there you go. They melt. Yay! Next, clear coat, right?
Yeah. Like I say, it's going to be hard to see until we get it out in the light. When we have it with the real light. I mean, I can see everything with the flashlight, but it's going to be hard to make it out until we're outside. And what I'm going to do is hit everything with a couple coats of clear, just for taping purposes.
Wow, on the camera without the light, it picks it up way better. Look, and then I do the light.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, no, that is good. That looks good. How would you say for consistency on a candy? Do you see anything? I mean, like I say, it's
You said it was like those are white.
Hit and miss, and you're going to be looking at some white undercoating.
I mean, it's pretty red.
Okay, that's all. I just want it to look consistent.
Right. Okay, maybe some more, just a little more back here in some spots. Just a little. Like
I say, a lot of this blotchiness you see,
I know, is the white.
is the undercoating. Because it gets hit with the dark and then the white.
But they're definitely different colors.
But the highlight is the key. Yeah, no, the highlighting is the key to that fucking shit.
So this is lighter back here and this is darker up front. The color itself on your majiggers.
What do you mean? Those are darker up front?
Yes. There.
Let me see.
You just added more, so you're getting there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No phone. He's not available. His answering service says
Sounds like
no.
a fucking spam call anyway.
Alright.
Alright, there we is.
Boom! Then we get a good money shot.
Oh shit, I forgot to turn the fan on for you, sorry.
It's okay, I got the mask.
Good. I don't notice this shit, especially just a little rattle can here to there. I don't notice that at all. This one, we don't comment very much, so we'll just, as things take off, we'll go farther if they give you people to talk more. I guess that means we don't have any haters at the moment.
There you go. Don't be scared of candy. Oh, there you go. Now it's really popping. Just go over. Just do it. Yeah. Sit.
Yeah, no, that is popping. Exactly what it needed. Like I say, I just get nervous as I go through this because it's the first time I experimented with it.
I know.
So if it doesn't fucking look right, you saw me
You gotta start over again.
And respray the motherfucker about 20 times, and we had it from the get-go. It just didn't look right. Oh, you know we did. We forgot to get candy on that little spot right there. I always forget that fucking little square. You're killing me. It's your fault. It's your fault, Mom.
Is that even a square? That's tape.
It is a little square, yes. That's the one I had to do that big repair in yesterday.
Oh.
Not big repair. You see how huge it was? It was a big monster repair. It had to be performed.
We had to create surgery on the car. All we did is rip a hole in the paper and spray.
Nope, I think she's coming together well.
Oh.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you like.
You guys know you like it, so like it.
And this coat is just getting misted on for now. I always tack coat it, hit it nice and light with some bullshit coat to begin with, and then fucking start blasting it.
Wow. Damn, I can't wait for that clear coat. Shut up.
Yeah, that's good. fucking A. Yeah, wait till the whole thing gets buried in fucking...
Yeah, look at these drops up here, though.
No, I see. They all look pretty good. It's coming together well. And it depends on what angle you hit them from, too. Which is good. We wanted that effect where you walk around it and no change.
Did you?
Well, we want it not to be just
all the same
simple
way.
and basic, yeah. So if there is any special effect to this effect, we would like to have it.
And we got it. Okay.
This thing's about empty.
Ooh. Yeah, the more you put on there, the more they pop. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
Wow.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
Holy. Did not think so.
No.
I was a little scared there for a
When
minute.
we started covering up our fucking...
Me too.
Covering up all of our highlighting.
But everyone else does it, so I mean, like, it must be,
Yeah,
it.
they all... Yeah, because they are shooting candy on this.
Yes, they shoot
This guy's
candy.
about empty. Let me grab some old product.
I don't like the color contrast on my phone because it's not the same. This is not the same color on the car that's on the phone.
Your camera picks it up different.
Yeah, it does. It's more of a red tint on the car, not an orange color.
And a custom candy paint job.
Then a custom candy paint job. He did all this with spray paint. Just joking.
Pretty much.
Not the whole car, though.
Well, it's spray paint material. This is all made from Duplicolor.
Oh.
So what we had in quartz, our candy is different though. I guess the main candy of the car is different. Yeah, everything has been from Duplicolor so far. The clear coat, the fucking everything. And we fucking show them those little kits of metallic we bought from Wally World.
So yeah, we got these at Walmart.
I have cans of flake over here as well, but those little cans of glitter from Walmart.
12 bright colors. You can get any kind of flake you want.
It does the job and it lasts fucking just fine.
Look at these ones over here. They have this other one there. It's like chunky black, like this, but black. Oh my god, it's so pretty. They have like so many glitters. It's disgusting.
Yeah, we can flake shit for weeks.
And then this is the actual glitter though that he put into his paint. So this is the
stuff we use.
for the paint.
We have all kind of
And then this one.
mini flake and metal flake and
We're trying to show them the glitter. And then there's some of this. Then put a little bit of that.
you know where my
What?
purple flake
Oh my god, that's my favorite one right here. Look at
and
this.
some gold flake. The jumbo, that's what we have. It's not jumbo, but that's what we have.
This is what Michelle wishes her car was done in. Yes.
That's what's on the green one.
Isn't this for the one?
Yeah. Yep, don't even tell them.
I'm not, it's you guys will find out.
We'll come out with that one here real soon.
You guys will find out. But that's my favorite glitter in the world.
Yeah, shifty purple or whatever
Yes.
it's called.
Freaking pretty.
Ah, a brand new can. Look at that. We still have flake and shit underneath of this. I forget these panels.
Are flaked out.
Well, we did the remember they were
Yeah.
orange?
Yes.
So we did the body touch-up.
I know, with the brand
And
new
we
plate.
didn't do any clear coat over it.
No. So now it's like clear.
Now it just needs to be buried in clear before we do any sanding. It's going to be still another day or so before I start sanding these. Right?
Yeah.
Butterfly in the sky.
I'm so taking a nap
I'm
after
gonna be
this.
twice as high. When we get home, we're taking this from the phone. Kinda like choo-choo-choo. Right?
Yep, it's nap time.
Alright, I'm just joking. Yeah, I have to go to work and be productive. I have a whole fucking woodwork package with.
Oh God.
It's alright, I got it first coated
Don't forget
yesterday.
your mask.
The guys are there prepping it right now. We'll be fucking finishing prepping, get another coat on it today, finish that guy up tomorrow. I've just got too much shit going on. Just in time to slap a custom candy paint job in the middle of it.
Do you guys all have masks?
Yeah, you should wear masks.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
The place we're doing up north is water-based.
Oh, okay.
So it doesn't stink, but we have dust covers, yes.
Okay.
Got to keep the particulates out of your lungs. Not the smell, but the particulates.
Oh.
Like I say, my nose is so fucking toast. About a million lacquer packages ago, I lost my sense of smell.
This is like colored hairspray. What do you mean?
I know,
Just
but
joking.
I can't smell it.
It's not, by
You can say
far.
whatever it is, but I just can't smell it.
It's awful. They say you're supposed to spray paint outside in a well-ventilated area.
Big tough guy shooting lacquer without a mask back in the day, and you see what it did for me. It wasted my nostrils. I probably literally have done fucking 2,000 or 3,000 lacquer packages, home lacquer packages with no mask.
Oh my God.
Just because, you know, you start spraying, no, just for a little bit.
It's just
You
a
don't
little bit of
notice
wood.
how
How many hours?
high you are until you go outside and get fresh air. And then it's like, well, maybe I should have, yeah, you kind of adapt to it, but maybe I should have been wearing a mask. But like I say, now it's not a problem. Because I can't smell it anyway.
Yeah, your nose will get stuffed from paint, apparently. I just figured this out last night.
Looking pretty goddamn good.
I did not know that. You're so pretty. Love the color. Don't forget about the sides. Definitely a lot of different tones on this car.
Didn't remember if I sprayed this yet. I've sprayed it so many times already. But I had not gotten it on this coat.
I would say that's probably the lightest part of the car.
Well, it has a lot of highlighting in there. Which, all that shit comes through. I like the look of it. So I'll start fucking with that shit a little more.
Okay. Do you?
We should stick a little bit more red there. And these two, just barely.
Well, you got the can.
I will.
You got the can. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Anything else that's in need of some redness?
Nope. Just trying to get the angle right on the bubbles. For the water.
Yep, I do and believe them. I like the way it's looking. Let me run around here and blast these all one more fucking time and we'll call it good. We can take a break from the camera. I'll fucking get all this masking pulled. And we can have a real quick look around. Now we have a couple spots that we're gonna have to touch up from this, I'm sure. That like fucking when we did that touch up and the silver blasted around the masking. Which will be fine, that'll happen quick. But it just, we need to double, triple check. I'm going through this so fucking fast. We have to get what we can in the process, but the other issue is I can't afford to lose a bunch of time. I have to keep momentum going. Otherwise, we're not going to make that fucking show, which is on Saturday, June 4th, and here we are. What day is this? Wednesday, June 1st?
Yeah.
This thing very well may fucking smell like paint at the show.
If it smells like it,
it might taste like paint at the show.
you might taste and smell it, but it won't be wet.
All right.
That wet candy paint. Is there a song with wet candy paint in it?
Yeah, we had a couple drips of black that we could clean them off with lacquer, but I don't want to fuck with it. It's fine. It's not
Oh,
the end of the
black?
world. If I feel like fucking dicking with it,
Where did black come from? Oh, the black panels.
Yeah. It just, for some reason, there was a speck that came out
Oh, the shading of the. Okay, I'm sorry.
of the water drops.
I'm like, where did you put black?
No, it came from when I was doing the water drops.
I mean, there's black all over this
sweet
car.
says he's flower. Yeah. You know what you can do is never your mind.
Okay.
You don't even do the boss of me.
I was the boss of
You
myself.
don't even do the boss of me.
We's the bosses of ourselves.
All right, I do believe. God, like every time I walk by this thing, it just doesn't. It's probably shadowing. It just looks less red, but it's alright. It'll be fine. Where we need to go. Okay, so you see where we're at. I believe Michelle's been walking around looking at it. Give me a few minutes. I'll get all this masking pulled off of here, and then we'll have a look at it when it's not all next to tape and paper.
So we be back?
Yeah, you can go ahead and break it. We are back. And here we are, shot, clear coated, and demasked. Just go ahead and walk them around. And you're looking at the water drops. I've seen everything else.
I know we're looking at the water drop.
And we're motherfucking just about getting there.
As soon as I remember where they're all at.
Still have one more effect to add to this, but I'm going to do the main body color first, which we'll end up doing that tonight. And then we'll do some effects, or do some touch-ups and finish the effects once we have a shit ton of clear coat on here. Bring it back here real quick. Let's see this spot where I fucked up. We had some overspray that blasted past the masking. So if you see it, we got some silver speckles up here. I'm gonna have to touch this panel up. I tried wiping it out, scuffing it a little bit. It just, yeah, it's not worth fucking with.
I forgot about that.
Yeah. We have little spots that shot through. That's on the body color. That doesn't matter. Body color, body color. Everything that's
Body
finished
color?
is
Good.
safe. Yes.
There she is.
Just pay attention to the water drops mostly in the fucking. Like I say, tonight we have this little speck here that pulled some tape, and like I was telling Michelle, if we have any issues like that, what you're going to want to do is bury it and get after all the tape is pulled, obviously. you're going to want to bury it in fucking clear and then deal with the touch-up on top of the clear, because if you try to do it on the base coat, you're just going to keep fighting yourself each and every way. But if you dump it in clear and then attack it, you'll be okay. So that's why we just hurry the fuck up, get this thing painted, and then touch it up for a couple days after the fact. Touch-ups are smooth, easy, and normally go relatively quick, straightforward. Sometimes they can be a nightmare. Paint jobs aren't all fucking rainbows and unicorns like everybody'd like you to think. It is a wrestling match from start to stop.
When they say blood, sweat, and tears, I mean it.
You have a nice obsession with this here masking. I see you like it. I'm gonna burn this little wad of shit. I didn't hear. Did the garbage man come yet?
I don't think
I heard something a couple blocks.
Oh, maybe they did come.
Because we have a big wad of shit out in front of the garbage. I need to get rid of all that.
I think they came down one way, so they had to have come back by now.
Yeah, I just need to get rid of all the fucking... I've almost been through a case of masking on this fucking car.
Alright.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Hills, yeah, that's right. It's looking decent.
Yes, she is.
It's looking decent. We can survive with that.
Let me give you a full-on look, like what I get to see. Oh my god. Do you see that?
Yep.
She is pretty.
She's getting there. Okay, well,
This
that's enough
is
for
just
today.
open.
You know what? I need to get my butt to work.
Yes, you do.
Go ahead and walk around again. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. 2 videos for that ass today.
What? Look at that. Oh, we still got these taped. So I guess we can't really look at that. But alright. You guys get the gist?
Right, and some of these that you have to walk around for I just should have been hitting with. They still look good, but they just don't have enough highlight. There's very few that don't have enough highlight, but there is a couple jobs that I don't like.
Well, if that's going to be given.
Yeah, no, it's alright though. For the most part, it looks good and I'm happy with it.
If you're looking at them and you don't like the angle, move your angle.
Well, you know what the problem is I need to stop it because this thing is for sale anyway.
Right.
So.
Buy it. Like it.
Yep, like, share, subscribe, and then pay me the big fat check at the end of the day.
Right? Because you know you want it.
Yay! Anyway, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Weasel!
Hmm?